Hello students, I'm back with my lecture on the chapter Diversity and Discrimination. In my previous lecture, I have explained you about prejudice and stereotypes and what are the causes of it. And I also told you about how diversity can lead to discrimination. Today we are going to learn about how this discrimination has forced the people to strive for equality and how our constitution has helped them out. So here I begin with my lecture. Striving for equality. In India, there are certain types of work such as cleaning, washing and picking garbage that are considered undignified and dirty by some people. That the people who are engaged with these type of works do not get equal opportunity and always considered as dirty. People who practice these occupations, we tend to discriminate them. This used to happen in olden days. The caste system was prevalent in ancient India. Our society was divided into groups as per the occupations practiced by the people. The members of the lower caste performing tasks such as picking garbage, removing dead animals from village were called as untouchables. These people were forced to live separately. They were even denied opportunities in education, employment and public facilities and were forced to work in inhuman conditions. They led a difficult life. They were not given all types of opportunities. And these untouchables were considered as separate from the society. Today, the people of the so-called lower caste are referred to as the scheduled caste. In India, women, tribals and peasants have also been experiencing unequal and unfair treatment. Constitution of India and respect for diversity. The fight against inequalities prevalent in Indian society was started much before the making of the Constitution of India. Before our freedom from the British, there were a lot of fight against inequalities in our society. People were asking for justice. Untouchables were asking for their rights. Now here we will see how our Constitution of India have tried to give equal opportunity to all. People who were discriminated started organizing themselves and demanding their various rights to lead a dignified life. For example, women started demanding the right to education. The scheduled caste also started to fight for gaining access to public places and facilities such as entry into temples. In the post-independence period, the framers of the Constitution of India made it a point to provide an equal status to all citizens of the country, irrespective of caste, class, gender, religion, etc. The following are some of the provisions of the Constitution of India that strive to achieve equality in society. Untouchability has been abolished by the law. We cannot practice untouchability now. Fundamental rights. These are the rights which are essential for every human being to have an overall development. And these rights have been provided to the people to secure them freedom and equality. For example, people are free to practice the occupation of their choice. All citizens are to be treated equal before the law. It is also a fundamental right of all citizens to be entitled to move to the court in case their fundamental rights are violated. That means when we citizen feels that our right or rights are violated by some other person or group, we may move to the court in order to get back our rights. The government is responsible to provide the poor and other discriminated groups in society with sufficient opportunities of education and employment. The government is also authorized to take special steps to protect the rights of the women, children, and other sections of society that have been subject to discrimination. However, even today, discrimination continues to exist in different forms in society. Thus, we must avoid creating prejudices and stereotypes to make the world a better place for everyone in society. At last, we come to a conclusion. Equality is a value that we have to keep striving for and not something which will happen automatically. People's struggle and positive actions by the government are necessary to make this a reality for all Indians. Thank you.